Welcome to Prudence Technology Limited, where we bring you SteelCore ERP, a robust platform built on Microsoft Dynamics 365. Digital transformation is at the heart of modern business. By engaging customers, empowering employees, optimizing and transforming products, we leverage systems of intelligence to drive success. Our end-to-end digital workflow integrates seamlessly with Business Central and mobile apps, revolutionizing automotive steel manufacturing from purchase orders to bundling and dispatch. Our item creation template allows for structured and meaningful code generation, ensuring consistency and easy identification across all items, enhancing efficiency in operations. Material planning is simplified with our requisition worksheet, analyzing safety stock, reorder points, and lead times to ensure timely purchase orders and inventory management. Our purchase quote comparison functionality streamlines the inquiry-to-purchase process, helping you send inquiries, identify the best prices, and create purchase orders efficiently. With automailer functionality, purchase orders can be shared directly with vendors from Business Central, ensuring smooth and efficient communication. Our Weighbridge integration captures transport details accurately, facilitating seamless logistics and transportation management. The goods receipt process is streamlined with posted purchase receipts, ensuring accurate tracking and management of incoming goods. Our item-based quality specification framework ensures incoming quality control, maintaining high standards and consistency in product quality. Gain insights into sales demand with our comprehensive overview, helping you manage inventory and production planning effectively. Innovative WhatsApp-based sales order booking simplifies the ordering process, making it convenient and accessible for customers. Technical delivery conditions are seamlessly linked with work orders and sales orders, ensuring precise and efficient delivery management. Our coil slitting process allows for posting consumption and output entries, optimizing width utilization and enhancing production efficiency. QR stickers enhance coil traceability, providing detailed information and ensuring quality assurance throughout the production process. From steel melting to shipment, our comprehensive production process covers every stage, ensuring quality assurance and efficient delivery. Ensure excellence with quality checks against each finished production order, adhering to defined parameters. Learn how TDCs attached to work orders are interlinked with heat numbers, generating comprehensive reports based on QC results. SteelCore ensures complete lot, batch, and heat traceability across every stage, enhanced with QR code and barcode integration. Manage dispatch efficiently with detailed transport information, ensuring smooth operations and timely deliveries. Streamline transactions with e-invoicing, offering detailed data management and efficient processing. Empower your business with self-service reporting via Power BI, offering insights into cost, production, and inventory. Thank you for joining us. With 15 years of experience, we are a global leader in ERP solutions, committed to excellence worldwide.